afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamb year 2014 government pass question. Question number 36. Decision making in the traditional Igbo political system was confined on the basis of dash. Decision making in the traditional Igbo political system was confined on the basis of that. That is, the decision making process was based on dash. The decision making was based on dash. So option A, privilege; B, age; C, gender; D, status. Privilege means by means of chance. The age means by let's say age mate or age group. Then gender means by sex. It could be male or female. Status means by position. So, and it was based on age, because there are different age groups, age and so on and so forth in the Igbo political system. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos. Option B is correct.